All right. So we got a problem here. It says the poster has an area of 180 square inches with 1 inch margins at the top and bottom, or no, at the bottom and sides and 2 inches at the top. What dimensions give the largest print area? All right. Does everybody agree you have a piece of paper that's X by Y? And the area of that piece of paper is 180 inches squared, which is X times Y. Does that make sense to everybody? And then it has all this real world crap about margins. All right? So you put margins in 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, and 2 inch. Everybody, the print area is right here. Do you guys agree? That is the print area. If I redraw the print area by itself, using the variables, you guys agree that the width is X minus 2 because it's inches on the side? And what's the height? Y minus 3. What do I want to do? What do I want to do with this green print area right here? What do I want to do to it? Optimize it, max or min. I want max. So I have the area of the print, which I'll write in blue here. Area equals Y minus 3 times X minus 2. I would like to maximize area. All right? Yeah. All right. So what we got to do is this is the area right here, all of the printable space. If we're going to maximize the area, I have to get to one variable. If we solve, and I solve this XY equation for Y, I can plug in for Y and have this. And now I have everything in terms of the width, or all in terms of X in my example. I do not want to take derivative of that. I am going to multiply this out. If I multiply this out, I get this. Now, I am very good at derivatives because I'm old and done a ton of math. I'm not even combine like terms, even though I know it's 186, but what's the derivative of 180 and what's the derivative of 6? 0. The derivative of 360 over x, that is negative 360 x negative 1 in our heads. Derivative of that is 360 x to the negative 2. Derivative of negative 3x is minus 3. If I want to optimize, now maybe I'll do this before I jump off the bridge. Everybody, a prime prime, do you guys agree it's negative 720 x to the negative third? And what do we know? The second derivative is always going to be negative because you can't have negative area. And if the second derivative is negative and the first derivative is 0, we got ourselves a max. All right. So I'll say, hey, let's make a prime 0. So 360 over x squared minus 3 equals 0. I'll multiply everything by x squared since it's not 0. If I solve that by getting 3x squared, you get x squared equals 120, and x equals 2 times square root of 30 for all you purists, right? But 10.9544 inches. Now, everybody, that is not the printable area. In my example, that is x. All right, that is not x. So it's going to be 8.9544, but we still have to solve for y. So y equals 180 divided by 10.9444. Does someone have what y was in 4 decimal places? 16.3719. All right, inches. And again, it doesn't ask for the original, guys. It doesn't ask for the original. It asks for the printable area. So you got to take away 2 inches on the x and 3 inches on the y. So it's 8.9544 inches by 13.3719 inches. And we have just maxed, that is the maximum printing area on a poster that has 180 square inches.